This tutorial will be a basic demonstration of Linux Ubuntu. For username, enter root, and the password is password with a capital P and at the very end an exclamation point. At this screen, it's letting us know that we're going to be running as a privileged user. Just click continue. Normally, you wouldn't run your system as root just because it has the highest level of security. Now we're on the Ubuntu desktop. Up at the top, we'll see the button for our terminal. I'll click that. And now we're in the Ubuntu terminal. Here in our command line, we see root, which is our user, and then Ubuntu desktop, which is the name of this machine. The tilde represents that we are currently in the home directory of the root user. The ls command is going to list all of the directories within the root home directory. If we type ls-a, it'll actually display all of the directories and files, including hidden files. ls-al will actually list all of them in a longer list, which provides more details. When using the ls command, feel free to type ls --help. This will show us all of the ls commands and explain how they can be used. You can also type man for manual and then type ls. This will also explain the ls command. You can use the down arrow key to scroll through them, and when you're done looking through the manual, you can type Ctrl-Z to exit. The command pwd will show us the present working directory. As you can see, we're currently in the root directory, because root is the user that we're currently logged in as. The command cd stands for change directory, and I'll type cd --. This will take us one step backward, so now we no longer have the tilde symbol, meaning that we are no longer in the root directory. I'm going to type ls so we can see a list of what directories and files are available now. This is the top level directory, meaning that we can see many of our system files here. If I do a pwd to view the directory, we can see that it's a /, meaning that it is in the top level directory. Up here we see that there's a directory named var, so let's try changing into that one. I'm going to do cd --var. Now you can see that we are in the var directory. Let's do an ls to see what's inside. And we can see that there's a www folder in there. So let's try changing into that one. This folder is where a lot of our web directory files are saved. Here we can see we have a phpMyAdmin folder as well as an index.html web page. If I type cd followed by the tilde symbol, this will return us back to root's home directory. pwd, and as I just said, we can see that we're currently in root. You can also change directories by typing the file path. So if I do cd /var/www, that'll also take us into that www directory. And then once again, if I do cd tilde, we'll return back to our home root directory. When you're done working on an Ubuntu virtual machine, if you click on the red power button up here at the top menu bar, you can simply click shut down, and then that'll turn off the virtual machine.